question that's commonly asked is a new duct system better than an old duct system? I would tell you that in my opinion, a new duct system done right is better than an old duct system. Most old duct systems have an R value for the insulation of 1.5 to maybe 4.3. Today's duct systems have an R value of 6 and an R value of 8, depending on what type of ductwork you get. If you can keep the heat out of the duct system for longer, it makes the system more efficient. It's less hot and cool drafts that you're getting before the equipment comes on, and it's just overall better. Plus, with the newer design duct systems, the flow through the system is better than the older design systems, and that's going to make the house more comfortable. So in my opinion, I would tell you yes, that a new duct system is going to be better than an old duct system.